I still remember the sound of your voice when I was lost and had no choice. You held my hand and showed me the way. You taught me how to face each day. When I made mistakes, you never walked away. You corrected me with love, you helped me change. You told me, son, be strong and stand tall. You were my shelter whenever I'd fall. Oh, Papa, I miss you every day. Since you left, the world don't feel the same. I look up to the sky and call your name, wishing I could see your smile again. You were my teacher, you were my guide, the one who always stood by my side. Your love still lives inside my heart and soul. I walk the road you once walked before. I remember your footsteps near the door. The little things you used to say still carry me through every day. Sometimes I wish I could turn back time just for one more talk, one more goodbye, to say thank you, Papa, for all you gave, for every lesson, every prayer you say. Oh, Papa, I miss you every day. Since you left, the world don't feel the same. I look up to the sky and call your name, wishing I could see your smile again. You were my teacher, you were my guide, the one who always stood by my side. Your love still lives inside my heart and soul. I know you're watching from somewhere above, still protecting me with your endless love. Your wisdom is the song my heart has heard. Oh, Papa, until we meet again, I'll carry your memories until the end. Your hands may be gone, but your love remains like a gentle rain after the pain. Thank you for guiding me, showing me right, for being my strength through the darkest nights. I'll keep making you proud, I promise you, because everything good in me came from you. Good night, Papa, I hope you can see the person you always wanted me to be. I miss you more than words can say. I love you forever, every single day.